Airdrop season is officially heating up. Welcome back to MyFX Back. In this video, I'm going to talk about crypto airdrops. Make sure you watch until the end. In 2026, many people are talking about the biggest potential airdrops in crypto, and while Base has Avantis on the Inc blockchain, the one gaining massive attention is Nado. So let's break this down. What is Inc? What is Nado? And how can you position yourself early before the crowd arrives? First, Inc. Inc is a new Ethereum Layer 2 built by Kraken, one of the largest centralized exchanges in the world. Inc is designed specifically for trading and DeFi. Where most chains struggle with speed and transaction congestion, Inc focuses on ultra-fast execution, extremely low fees, and enterprise-level security. It is also part of the Optimism superchain, which means it inherits Ethereum security, but operates like a turbocharged engine. In simple terms, Inc is built to be the blockchain for pro traders. Now, what about Nado? Nado is the fastest decentralized exchange for trading. Spot, margin, and perpetuals. It's the only CLOB DEX that offers unified margin. One balance across spot, margin, and perps. Built by the team behind Kraken and deployed on Inc. Right now, Nado is still in private alpha, meaning access is limited. You will need an invite code or you can join the waitlist. But this limited early access is exactly why airdrop hunters are paying attention, because early users usually benefit the most. Now here is the part everyone is waiting for. Yes, Nado has a points program. Every trade, every liquidity action earns you points. And many speculate these points will convert to the Nado token and Inc token at token generation, though this has not been officially confirmed. If you want to farm trading perps, usually earns more points than spot. So how do you get started? Go to nado.xyz. Join the waitlist or check this video description because we've prepared 10 invite codes for early access. Then bridge USDT 0 to the Inc network, connect your wallet, deposit your funds, and begin trading. A reminder, this is early stage alpha. There can be bugs. Liquidity may be thin. Trade only what you can afford to lose, and always use risk management. If you try it, leave a comment and share your experience. Like and subscribe for more crypto trading education, and welcome to the future of on-chain trading.